Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today I want to talk about juicing and some ways to get rid of your excess vegetables for the winter, so stick around.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me.
Thanks for coming back, guys. So today we're talking about is how can we get rid of the excess cucumbers. Like we have some of these monstrous cucumbers that are left over, some of the Swiss chard that is left over, and we got some hot peppers. These are actually Mexican chilies, and then we have some red peppers. So getting close to the end of the year, your stock is filled, the freezer's filled, and you're like, what else can I possibly do? Because I don't want to waste anything. And some of these things are very valuable. For instance, Swiss chard, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, manganese, and all of which are vital minerals for us. Copper, iron, are all good things. So we have this Swiss chard here. We have the rainbow Swiss chard. So instead of letting this go to waste, which it wouldn't, we just feed it to the chickens. I thought, how can I use this up? Because I don't want to waste anything. So I went online and I found these. These are for making your baby food, homemade baby food. So what we do is we actually juice this, and then we put them in this, and then what you end up with. Now these ones are banana that we did, but you end up with these nice serving size. So you stick this in the refrigerator, and before you go to bed, by morning you have your nice drink. And like we know that we don't lose all the benefits when we freeze. And we got a total of 6 of these. So we're gonna fire this juicer up here. And guys, this ain't one of them high-tech ones. You wanna hand me a little bit of the, yeah, that. Thank you. So one trick about this is that we can, with this, at the end, it helps to clean out the juicer. So we've been trying this out. It does taste pretty good. Obviously and all the enzymes, all of the good stuff is in here. So this really is an easy way to do stuff. So let's make some juice. So there we have a nice bunch of juice. And like I said before, what I want to do is I want to put a couple splashes of this in there. This helps to clean out the stream. And we're going to put a little bit in here because I didn't put it in the last batch because this is what we're going to be pouring with. And then we'll dump some of this. And we'll put our lid on. And what's really nice about this, excuse me, Hunter, is that when we fill this up, we know already now that this pitcher will fill 2 of these up. And now you just fill them up. Oh.
That was an accident.
Yeah, that was an accident. We did find out that if not to fill them up all the way, because they do like to expand a little bit, as ice does. But this is a great way for you to have your juice or your smoothies and the health benefits that you're going to have throughout the winter. And we all know that the prices of things really go skyrocket, especially up in our area in the wintertime. Swiss chard, you could get probably half of what we have here. It's like $6-7 for a little. Whoop. For a little bit of thing. Cucumbers right now are 99 cents, and they might go up to $1.35 a piece. So now we have it all the way through the winter, and we've been doing this for a while now. So we have some pineapple, we have bananas, we have Swiss chard, we've got kale, we've got cucumber, all kinds of good stuff. And there you go. Some of these are a little bit on the low side, but now these things got little tabs on every cup all the way around to help. And I got a total of 6 of these. So then now all I got to do is stick this in the refrigerator, or I'm sorry, the freezer. And there we go. By tomorrow morning, I can run my next batch. So then what I'll do is I'll just chew the rest of this up and make juice out of it. And if you guys don't like the foam, you can actually pull that out. So it's got a really dark green, rich flavor. And we'll see how she tastes. It's actually really good. You got the earthly flavors from the Swiss chard. I can taste the cucumber, and you can definitely taste the heat from the peppers. And remember guys, hot peppers are not actually bad for us. It helps us with our opening up our blood vessels to allow the oxygen to get in there to recirculate. So it's a really good benefit. So the hotter the pepper is, the better off it is. It's just that some people can't handle hot stuff. So I hope this, guys, if it gives you a little bit more of an idea of what you can do for juicing and stuff. And I hope it helps so you can get rid of some of them and not the other food, because all the waste that goes in here now is going to go to the chickens, into the compost bin, and they'll go through there and eat that. So it's got a dual purpose, and it helps us so we're not wasting anything. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you try it out. It is a lot of fun, and it's good for you. So I'm going to get back to juicing. You guys all take care. God bless, and thanks, and we'll see you again. And thanks, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Like I said before, guys, we've been really busy with all the vegetables and stuff, so I haven't been putting out a lot of videos, but we are building them. And once I get slowed down here, I can start putting some videos out of stuff that we do. So you guys all take care. We'll see you later.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy.